Winnebago Industries was formed on February 12, 1958. That day marked not only the launch of a new RV, but the beginning of a new era, for Americans rediscovering their love of the outdoors, and for the company destined to help lead the way, Winnebago. In 1960, Modernistic was renamed Winnebago Industries. At the same time, Winnebago's iconic brand symbol for outdoor adventure hit the road, the famous Flying W. Winnebago's sales soared from $1 million in 1961 to $1 million a day in 1968. The coming decade would see even more growth. On September 9, 1970, Winnebago went public. Within a year, the company became the top-performing stock on the exchange, with a total annual return of 470%. 1975 saw the launch of Itasca, a new brand of motorhomes built on Chevrolet chassis. And in 1977, the company produced its 100,000th unit. Winnebago was the first in the industry to hit this milestone. As the 1980s dawned, customers still had fuel economy on their minds. In response, Winnebago nearly doubled the fuel efficiency of conventional RVs with models like the Winnebago Warrior and Itasca Spectrum. As the company entered its fourth decade, Winnebago introduced the Rialto, a future cult classic that delivered big motorhome features on a smaller Volkswagen chassis. At the other end of the spectrum was the luxurious Class A Vectra, with massive, accessible basement storage that made it ideal for extended trips. In 2005, Winnebago rocked the Class C category with two stunning new models built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, the Winnebago View and the Itasca Navion. The style, efficiency, and performance of these models propelled Winnebago to become the world's leading builder of RVs on the Sprinter chassis, a position the company holds to this day. In 2008, Winnebago celebrated its 50th anniversary in style, rolling its 400,000th unit off the line. 2 years into its sixth decade, Winnebago purchased Sunnybrook RV in Indiana. Sunnybrook evolved into Winnebago Towables, marking not just a return to the company's roots, but the beginning of a profitable and growing new business unit. A few years later, Winnebago shook up the B-van market in the same way it had transformed the Class C market a decade earlier. The Travato, based on the Dodge Ram ProMaster chassis, was followed by the Paseo, built on the Ford Transit chassis. Together with the Sprinter-based era, they catapulted Winnebago to the top of the B-van market. In 2015, the company purchased the assets of Country Coach in Junction City, Oregon. Ultimately, Junction City would become the home of Winnebago Class A diesel production. In 2016, Winnebago jump-started its presence in the towables market with the $500 million purchase of Grand Design RV, winding up its sixth decade with a bang and bringing annual sales to $1.55 billion in 2017.